Welcome to Code Hub. Let's break down the key differences between AI and machine learning in just 60 seconds. Introduction: AI and machine learning are often used interchangeably, but they're not the same. Here's the difference. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broader concept of machines simulating human intelligence. It includes anything from voice assistants to self-driving cars. What is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI. It involves training algorithms on data so they can make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. AI versus ML. Think of AI as the overall goal, making machines smart. Machine learning is one way to achieve that goal by allowing machines to learn from data. Real-world examples: AI, chatbots that understand and respond to human language. ML, recommendation engines that suggest products based on your browsing history. AI is the big picture, and machine learning is one of the tools that brings AI to life.